In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view purchase history on Roblox. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past purchases, what each entry means, and how to quickly confirm charges on your account. Start on the official Roblox website and sign into your account. Use any modern browser and make sure you're logging into the correct profile if you manage more than one. If you're already signed in, you're all set. Keeping your login private is important, so avoid entering credentials on pop-ups or unfamiliar pages. Once you're in, head to your account settings, look to the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. This is the gateway to your account controls. Click the gear, then choose settings from the menu that appears. Think of this area as your account hub, where Roblox stores all your preferences and account tools. Inside settings, find the billing section. Click billing to open your payment and subscription controls. This page is dedicated to anything connected to how you pay on Roblox and how Roblox bills you, so it's the natural place to manage purchases and subscriptions. From there, select View My Transactions. This takes you to your transaction history, where Roblox organizes your past activity in a clear list. This is the page you'll use to verify charges, track spending, or simply review what was purchased and when. On the Transactions page, you'll see entries for Robux purchases, in-game purchases, and premium subscriptions. Robux purchases cover times you added Robux to your balance. In-game purchases include things like items, game passes, or developer products you picked up while playing. Premium subscriptions show your recurring membership charges. Each entry includes a date and an amount, so you can match what you see here with receipts from your payment method. Roblox often displays amounts either in your local currency when it's a charge, or in Robux when you spent Robux. So pay attention to those labels. Dates typically reflect your local time zone, which makes matching them to your statements easier. If you're scanning for a specific charge, scroll through the list and look for the matching date and amount. If a page seems slow to load, give it a moment or refresh. Transaction pages can take a second to populate. When you're reviewing details, avoid sharing screenshots publicly, as they can include account information you shouldn't post. That's it. You went to the Roblox website